Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this to 095, delete the middle nodes of linked list. So given a head of a linked list, delete the middle node and return a head of modified linked list. So the middle node in this case is the n divided by 2, and then take the floor function. So if in this case, you get the 7, right? So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So it's the take the floor function. Sorry, it's the cell function, largest integer. Floor function. Yeah. So I guess you have 7, right? So 7 divided by 2 is 3. So it's a 3 nodes, 3.5, right? So this node 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then we need to return 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6. So just bypass this. In this case, there's 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 0, 1, 2, you need to delete 3. In this case, delete 1. Okay. So there are 2 ways. The first way is that you use a slow and fast. So slow, go 1 step, and a fast, go 2 steps. Then you can identify this one. This is a little bit technical, but one way, I think one easy way is that you first find the total length. So you define a dummy, and then you dummy connected to head, and then suppose a is -1. So just for fun, right? Did you just because I start from -1 for dummy, and you just keep going. So once you do this, then a will be the length, right? So a will be a length. Now you just delete the middle node. So now a is the length, and then you initialize b to 0 because you need to count how many nodes. And then you do the dummy equals s. So s is the indices that we need to return. X next. Okay. Now start to travel the linked list. If b is a equals to 2, that means b is here. Okay, b is here. Now dummy next equals dummy next, because now suppose that you already here. Now you're already here, and this guy's dummy. So you need to make the dummy next, go to the dummy next. So you just neglect about this. So dummy next equal dummy next, and dummy next equal dummy. So this is the keep going. Otherwise, they just keep going, right? Because you only need to neglect this one. Okay, finally, just return the next. So basically, I think the only these lines is the key. Right? So this is a key step. Only this line, dummy next, dummy next. Okay, that's it. So this is linear, right? Travels the linked list twice and get the answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so see you guys next videos.